Introducing RealModel AI, powered by official APIs, 100% real models. Access authentic AI models directly. No fake wrappers, no simulations. Now let's dive into the RealModel AI app. Once you log in, this is your main dashboard, where you can access all powerful official AI models in one place. To start using AI, click on Chat, All Real Official Models. Then select Official AI Chat Models. This is where the real power begins. Now you're inside the chat interface. Here you can start a new conversation, enter your prompt, generate powerful outputs instantly. You can also choose your AI model. Click to open the model selector. Here you'll find GPT models, Claude models, Gemini models, Grok models, DeepSeek. All powered by official APIs, not fake wrappers. So your output comes directly from real, official AI models. Just select your model and start generating. Now let's move to RealModel's writing templates. This is your done-for-you content system. You can instantly create blog titles, emails, ads, social posts, product descriptions, business ideas. Everything is already structured for you. Just select a template, choose your model and enter your input. Click Generate and get results instantly. Next, the AI Image Generator. Here you can create stunning visuals in seconds. Describe your image, choose model options, click Generate, and your AI image is ready. Now let's look at the AI VoiceOver Studio. Here you can convert text into realistic voice. Select your language, choose your voice, paste your script, then click Synthesize. Your voiceover is ready instantly. With File Analyzer, you can upload documents like PDF, Word, CSV, and let AI analyze them for you. Upload your file, ask questions, get instant insights. You can also analyze any website. Paste a URL, click Analyze. AI will break down the content instantly. Perfect for research, competitor analysis, content extraction. Need code? Use the GPT Codex tool. Select a programming language, enter your instructions, choose Codex models, click Generate. AI creates code instantly. Perfect for developers and automation. And that's it. Powered by official APIs. No fake wrappers, just real AI performance. Start exploring, start creating, and unlock your full AI potential.